Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to download and install MS Project for free without any errors. If your computer is currently running Office 365 or Office 2024, can you install MS Project 2021? Follow along with this video to see how. First, go to your browser and type Office Deployment Tool, then download the file. Create a folder named Project in Drive C. Then copy the Office Deployment Tool file into it. Now, extract the Office Deployment Tool file and save it inside the project folder you just created on your C drive. Note: make sure to show file extensions in Windows so you can create the .xml file properly. Next, to install Project 2021, I'll create an XML file named project2021.xml. Open the file with Notepad. I've left the configuration file in the description below, so you can just copy and paste it. Please note this important step. Configure the channel according to your current Office version. For instance, if Office 2024 is installed, set channel equals perpetual VL 2024. Now, for the installation part, open Command Prompt as administrator. Follow along with me in the video. I've successfully installed MS Project 2021. As you can see, I had Office 2024 installed on my PC before this. Thanks for watching. If you run into any errors during installation, leave a comment below and I'll help you out.